If you're experiencing a streaming error on Sling TV, don't worry. Here is a quick guide to help you resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other devices or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your streaming device completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update the Sling TV app. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and data. For devices that allow it, go to the settings of the Sling TV app and clear the cache and data. This can help resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Reinstall the Sling TV app. If the error persists, uninstall the Sling TV app from your device and then reinstall it. This can help fix any installation-related issues. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the streaming error on Sling TV quickly. Enjoy your streaming!